Now, here's an animal we see every day. But still, they have their secrets. Having a pet cat is sort of like having a lion in your house. Whoa! I said sort of. That's better. Nice kitty. In some countries, more people own cats than own dogs. Now, these are some really fancy cats who need some really fancy grooming. You've got your long hairs. You've got your short hairs. You got your no hairs. Brrr, kitty, you must get cold in the winter. And some of these felines cost a lot of money.
You hear that little scratchy sound? Drives the cats crazy.
And they get to play with really fun toys. Kittens of all species really love to play. But what they're actually doing here is learning valuable skills for when they hunt. Our feline friends are what we call carnivores. That means most of them don't like to eat their vegetables. They prefer to eat, well, for example, rats. But domestic, or what we call house cats, are only one of 38 species of cats. And all cats have a lot in common. We detectives know that most of our little kitty friends sometimes do things that big cats do in the wild. Like when they rub against you. See, the big guys do that too. They're marking their territory. We agents have investigated the species and have determined that cats can't distinguish human faces, and they can't really tell colors apart either. But they can really see well in the dark. And that's useful when they're up to mischief. Yep, we detectives have to keep a close eye on cats. Mostly because they're really cute to look at.